For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Artificial intelligence, AI, has transformed the way we work, learn, and earn money. With tools powered by AI now accessible to the public, making money from home using AI is easier than ever. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, freelance career, or launching a scalable business, this guide walks you through real, actionable steps to help you get started. Step 1. Understand what AI can do for you. Before diving into specific money-making strategies, it's important to understand how AI works and how it can assist you. AI tools can write content, e.g. blog posts, add copy, generate art, logos, or designs, analyze data for better decision-making, automate repetitive tasks, assist with coding and software development, provide customer service through chatbots, translate languages, create and edit audio or video. Familiarizing yourself with some popular AI tools will help. ChatGPT, text generation, DALL-E or Mid-Journey, image generation, Canva Magic Studio, AI design assistant, Copy.ai or Jasper.ai, AI writing tools, Descript video/audio editing, Pictory or Synthesia, AI video creation. Step 2. Pick a profitable path that matches your skills. There are many ways to earn using AI. Here are a few popular categories. 1. Content creation, blogging, YouTube, social media management. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts or video scripts. Use Canva AI to create thumbnails, posts, or infographics. 2. Freelancing with AI tools. Offer AI-enhanced services like copywriting, graphic design, or voiceover editing on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. 3. Selling digital products. Create ebooks, templates, printables, or online courses. Use AI to help write, design, and market them. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote AI tools through your blog, YouTube, or email list. Earn commissions when people sign up via your referral link. 5. AI-assisted e-commerce. Use AI to generate product descriptions, ads, or even AI-generated art for custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, posters. 6. Tutoring and coaching. Use AI to help design lesson plans, worksheets, and study guides. Market yourself as an online tutor or coach. 7. Automated YouTube or TikTok channels. Use AI to write scripts, ChatGPT, VoiceOver, Muff.ai or 11 Labs, video generation, Pictory or InVideo, and image generation, Midjourney. Step 3. Learn the tools you need. Start by selecting a few AI tools relevant to your chosen path. For example, writers, ChatGPT, Grammarly, Jasper. Designers, Canva, DALL-E, Midjourney. Video creators, Descript, Pictory, Synthesia. Entrepreneurs, Notion AI, Copy.ai, Tidio, chatbots. Invest time in YouTube tutorials or free courses to master these tools. Most platforms offer free plans or trial versions, making it cost-effective to learn. Step 4. Build your brand and online presence. To attract clients or customers, establish a professional presence online. Set up a personal website or portfolio. Use tools like Wix or WordPress. Professional profiles on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. A gig on freelancing platforms. Highlight AI-assisted services. Tip: use ChatGPT to help you write your bio, service descriptions, and pitch templates. Step 5. Start offering services or selling products. Now it's time to make money. 1. Freelance work. Create gigs on Fiverr like, I will write SEO blog posts using AI, or I will design logos with Midjourney. Pitch services on Upwork or freelancer groups. 2. Start a blog or niche website. Use AI to write optimized articles. Monetize through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, or selling ebooks. 3. Launch a digital product. Ebooks, templates, or Notion dashboards are low cost, high margin. Sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own Shopify site. AI can help write, design, and market your product. 4. Create and monetize a YouTube channel. Use AI to write your scripts and create videos. Monetize through ads, affiliate links, or sponsorships. Channels like faceless niche videos are possible entirely with AI. Step 6. Use AI to market and scale. Once you've set up your money-making method, use AI to grow. AI-powered marketing ideas. ChatGPT. Write emails, social media captions, and blog posts. Lumen 5 or Pictory. Turn blog posts into videos. Canva Magic Resize. Adapt posts to all platforms instantly. AdCreative.ai. Generate ads for Facebook/Google. Automation tools. Zapier. Automate your workflows, e.g., auto-send files when someone buys. Tidio or ManyChat. Set up AI chatbots for sales/support. The more you automate and delegate to AI, the more you can scale with minimal effort. Step 7. Test, iterate, and optimize. Success won't be instant, but consistency and improvement matter. A/B test titles, descriptions, and pricing with AI insights. Use tools like Surfer SEO or RankIQ to optimize blog content. Review analytics to find what works. Google Analytics, Etsy Stats, YouTube Studio. AI can even help interpret this data. Ask ChatGPT to summarize key metrics and suggest improvements. Step 8. Stay updated and keep learning. AI is evolving rapidly. To stay ahead, follow AI-focused YouTube channels and newsletters, e.g., Future Tools, The Rundown AI. Join AI creator communities on Reddit, Discord, or Facebook. Experiment with new tools as they launch. Early adopters often gain the edge. Bonus. 5 realistic examples of how people are making money with AI from home. 1. AI-powered Etsy shop. A seller uses Midjourney to create AI art and sells posters/digital prints on Etsy. 2. Faceless YouTube channel. A creator uses ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and Pictory for visuals, earning ad revenue and affiliate income. 3. Freelance blog writer. A writer offers SEO blog writing with AI support on Upwork and earned $1,000 plus monthly. 4. Online course creator. A coach uses AI to write lessons, slides, and video scripts to launch a profitable online course. 5. Social media manager. A freelancer uses ChatGPT and Canva to create a month of content for small businesses in hours. Final thoughts. Making money from home with AI is not a futuristic dream. It's happening now. The key is to pick a strategy that aligns with your interests and skills. Then let AI help you work smarter, faster, and more creatively. Whether you're freelancing, starting a blog, or selling digital products, the power of AI allows you to build an income stream from anywhere. With minimal upfront investment, a willingness to learn, and a strategic approach, you can turn AI into your business partner. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.